Hello, my name is Jared Fortney and I'm a Group Networks consultant. Today we're going to be discussing project portfolios in Oracle Primavera P6. We've got the login screen here, so this is your first opportunity to choose a portfolio. And to just kind of give you a general overview and definition of what a portfolio is it's a grouping of projects, a logical grouping of projects. So basically, it's a number of projects that have something in common. Could be project manager, could be strategic priority, it could be geographic, it could be a number of things, but basically, it's a logical grouping of a number of projects into one consolidated portfolio. So what I've done is created a portfolio here that is the project management portfolio for all projects that are being managed by myself, Jared Fortney. So we'll hit OK and we'll hit Open Global Data. We should be able to go to Projects. And what you'll see here is that a project portfolio will filter the EPS. So what you're seeing now is the enterprise project structure, and all it shows is projects that have myself, Jared Fortney, assigned as a project manager. Where generally, if you opened the projects, you would see basically you would see all of the EPS. So if we were to click open here, it would open all these projects underneath this EPS level, which is the highest level, and you'll see the three projects that are assigned to me currently: Automated System, Phase 2 Northbound, and Architectural Design Template. So what this allows you to do is to look at projects and their grouping and contrast them by opening them together in the same activity screen. So you can see the work breakdown structure for all of these, and it may be helpful to see all these projects together at the same time. Now, where all of this gets set up is here under Enterprise. May have done that too fast. Enterprise, Project Portfolios, and what you'll see is the PM Jared Fortney highlighted here, and you'll see the name of it. You'll see here you have the choice to make this portfolio visible to only the current user, which would be myself. You can share it with another user if you know their name. So you go another user, and then you would choose them. So maybe Jeff's my buddy. He's a project manager as well, and I want him to be able to look at all of my stuff. So I can assign, Jeff, the project manager, and he can look at this portfolio. And you'll see the description at the bottom. This portfolio includes all projects that are being managed by Jared Fortney. So I'm going to close out of this without saving it. So the interesting thing there, and something that I forgot, was if you make this available to another user, it also it forces you to have to log in as them. So what I've done is recreated this, and so recreated PM Jared Fortney, current user. This is my I'm the admin on this installation, and recreated the description. So what we'll do is go back and add the projects, which is actually it's good. It wasn't something I planned on, but you'll see every one of these projects within the EPS. And what you do is we'll go through here and find the ones that we're after. So let's see, infrastructure. And what we can do here is add let's expand this whole thing, and we should see this Harbor Point is me. So we'll assign that. and you'll see when I assigned it, it showed up here under the portfolio. I also have Highway North, and we will assign that. Now Highway North is in my portfolio. Let's see, Auto, and the last one will be Architectural Design. So we'll add those four, and you'll see now that this portfolio, which is PM Jared Fortney, is these four projects. So we'll go ahead and close this, and then now that we're looking at the portfolio and the activity view, you'll see that this column only has my name. So basically, when you pull this up, it will show you only projects that are being managed by Jared Fortney. Now, in my experience, I've used this in many ways, but I found that if you're going to have a very large project, let's say 30,000-40,000 activities, hundreds of millions of dollars, the way that I utilize this is to break the project down into smaller projects, and you can assign those projects to different project managers, or you can assign them to specific subcontractors, and they may be coming in via Citrix or remote desktop or whatever scenario you have set up. But breaking a very large project up into multiple projects, like you can see here, is very helpful, because when you get to the point of administration and you want to limit what basically you have multiple sources of input, multiple contractors, multiple internal sources like project managers, assistant project managers, project directors. You can break all their activities out into their own personal schedule, and then basically using privileges, user privileges, and determining what they can actually view, you can give them their own view of just their project. But then when you want to go in and see the entire project, you have all of those projects assigned to a specific project portfolio. So when I utilize this, I would come in and I would click project portfolio, and I would say give me all schedules or projects associated with this major project, which I had associated with a portfolio. So I would use portfolios to pull multiple schedules together that all had to do with one major project. So that's just one application of portfolios, but it's very useful. It's very flexible. You can basically extend it up or down in a hierarchy and use it at whichever level you see fit. But basically, as a summary, it's a way to it's the way to basically organize projects in a logical way, so that when you want to view them and contrast them, it makes it very easy. So we're done with portfolios, and once again, my name is Jared Fortney, and I am a Group Networks consultant, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks.